Tecno recently launched the Camon 40 series, which includes the Camon 40 Regular, the Camon 40 Pro, and the Camon 40 Premier. The first two are what's currently available on the market to purchase right now. But before you go out to make a purchasing decision, let me break down everything you need to know about the Camon 40 Pro, which is what I have right here. I'm Desi, and Tecno is this. Let's start with unboxing. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro comes in this white box with triangular designs at the top half of the box, with a Camon 40 Pro inscription and Tecno AI written boldly on the middle and lower half of the box. One thing that's really cool, and I'm not seeing anyone talk about, is when you shine a light onto the box, you do see a glittering effect all around the box, which is really cool. Makes you have more value for the box, even after taking the device out. Taking off the top cover of the box, you're met to the Tecno Camon 40 Pro itself, with the plastic cover sleeve giving you more information about the device. Let's put that to the side. I really like how Tecno designed this case, because even if you slap it onto the device, it still looks exactly like the back design of the device. Other companies should definitely learn from Tecno when it comes to this. You also get a 30-month warranty card, a USB-C charging cable, a SIM ejector pin, and a 45-watt fast charger. That's everything in the box. Removing the plastic covering on the device gives you the first true look of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, and it looks amazing. It gives off a race car vibe, which looks very stylish and modern, whilst being very comfortable to hold in hand. If you purchase the device in the Galaxy Black color I have right here, you notice the back has a two-tone design when tilted to the sides, looking more of a matte marble finish, which looks really nice. There are other colors outside the Galaxy Black. They include the Glacier White and Emerald Green. It's really thin for such a device that packs a huge battery, having a thickness of only 7.31mm, which is impressive. To the right side of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, you get the power and volume buttons. To the top, two microphones, a speaker grill with the inscription Dolby Atmos, letting you know it does support Dolby Atmos. To the left, a new orange button, what Tecno calls the one-tap button, that serves as an AI button to summon the onboard AI Ella, as well as a quick camera feature called Flash Snap. We'll get into that later in the video. At the bottom, the SIM card slot, a microphone, a USB-C charging port, and another speaker grill. To the back, you get a triple camera layout. To the right of that, the flashlight and an IR blaster to control things like your TV or AC directly on your device. This is genuinely a good looking device. I've taken it out a couple of times and I've received compliments as well as questions from people, which is a good sign. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro is IP68 dust and IP69 water resistant, and according to Tecno, it offers 5 years lag-free experience. And as always, only time will tell if it does hold up to that. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro retails at a price of 3,849 Ghana cedis for the 256GB ROM and 8GB of RAM. Flipping the device to the front, it's a 6.78 inches 120Hz curved AMOLED display. It gets extremely bright even in outdoor situations based on my test, which is great for situations where you find yourself in direct sunlight, needing to make use of the screen. When it comes to viewing content on it, it looks great. Watching your favorite videos from streaming platforms like Netflix, watching YouTube videos, Instagram, TikToks, every video on there looks amazing. Colors look great. I've noticed Tecno has finally found the perfect color profile or temperature for this device, as it doesn't look oversaturated like I pointed out in past videos for other Tecno devices I've reviewed on this channel. At the top of the screen houses a selfie camera, which can enable you to make use of the face unlock feature on the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. There's also an under-display fingerprint scanner, which is pretty fast in unlocking the device, but there's definitely more room for improvement. Now this is quite interesting. As thin as the Tecno Camon 40 Pro is, they still managed to pack a 5200 mAh battery that should get you through an entire day on a single charge. Provided you're not into anything too heavy on a day-to-day basis like a gamer, you should be perfectly fine with the battery usage. Based on my usage, battery life has been more than enough. I charge it once a day if I'm heading out, but twice or thrice when I'm logged in a heavy gaming session. Nothing too drastic. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro has support for 45 watts fast wire charging with the included charger in the box, which can get you from 0 to 50% in about 23 minutes and to 100% in around 43 minutes, which is fairly fast. If you've been watching this far, you'll notice there are 3 cameras on the rear with the inclusion of the selfie camera making a total of 4 cameras. So the Tecno Camon 40 Pro comes with a 50 megapixel Sony LYT 700C main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, probably an AI camera, and a 50 megapixel selfie camera. You can record 2K at 30 FPS for video on both the main and the selfie camera with HDR support. You also have the ability to record dual videos using both the front and the main cameras. I've tested out the cameras extensively in both outdoor and indoor situations. Pictures come out looking great enough, but also based on preference. What I've noticed is it lacks slightly in the contrast section, so what I usually do is I increase the contrast of images I take using either the rear or the front cameras. Aside that, colors look vibrant, greens look like they're supposed to, blues, as well as any other vibrant color. There's the addition of the one tap button I spoke earlier about, which is this orange button to the left of the device. In camera functionality, it serves as a button to quickly activate the flash snap feature in the camera app that allows you to quickly take a picture of a fast moving object without them looking blurry. You simply double press to enter flash snap mode, and you can also use it as a capture trigger when capturing images. It's really cool and I've made use of it quite often. So here are some sample shots I've taken. Share what you think about them by leaving a comment on this video. Tecno definitely took time to pack the Camon 40 Pro with pretty impressive hardware and software that I'm hopeful will stand the test of time. They promised 5 years, that's 60 months of lag-free experience, and I'm definitely going to be on the lookout to see if indeed it does live up to the expectations. However, the device is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G100U. It can basically handle most of your heavy usage needs like gaming. Playing the popular Call of Duty mobile game, I've been able to game at medium graphics and high frame rate, which most people will likely be playing at. It's been smooth, fast, I haven't experienced any lags, but you may depending on your internet connection and not the processor. It comes pre-installed with Android 15, iOS 15.0.1, 8GB RAM with the option to add on virtual RAM up to 8GB through memory fusion, and 256GB internal storage. The software experience so far has been fluid. You have a lot of customization features, apps open quite smoothly, and you wouldn't have anything to complain about in general usage. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro is a device made for AI. Literally. The one tap button serves as a dedicated trigger for the onboard AI assistant, Ella. The device is packed with a lot of AI features, and right from the onset of switching on the device and setting up the device, you are greeted by Ella, who takes you through the entire setup process. First time seeing this on any smartphone, which is interesting. Aside Ella, which has seen major improvements to its capabilities, there are many other AI features such as AI Eraser, which allows you to erase unwanted objects or people from an image. The AI Image Extender that allows you to extend the surroundings of an image you've taken. AI Call Assistant, which includes real-time call translation with 5 supported languages. AI Call Summary, AI Voice Print Noise Suppression, which blocks out background noise on a phone call, AI Auto Answer, and even AI Generated Content. There's also AI Circle to Search, AI Auto Blurring, AI Image Document, as well as tone beauty features like skin tone enhancement, rear beauty and body shaping, and front beauty and makeup. Like, this is an AI phone, and it just shows Tecno's commitment to staying up to date and ahead in the tech world. I've actively made use of a few AI features like AI Image Extender, Circle to Search, and the AI Voice Print Noise Suppression, which I find really useful. All in all, I'll say Tecno has created a device that stands out in the smartphone market, and for its price, it's pretty impressive. Big returns of AI features, great hardware, up-to-date software, and generally a good-looking device. You hardly find fault with it. Obviously, this device may not be for everyone, but based on the reactions from people I've shown the device to, they all agree Tecno has come really far. Feel free to share your opinions in the comments, what you think, what you dislike. Just feel free and leave comments on this video. If you found this video helpful, do consider leaving a like as well as subscribing to my channel. I'm Desi, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again in my next video. Peace.